Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm showing off this is part 2 to the OpenGL demo, and now I have two triangles of different colors, and when I push W, I can toggle between fill mode and wireframe mode, just like so. And if I hold W down, you can see it doesn't flicker or anything. And if I push escape, the program exits. So the way this one works is, first for the process input, so we could toggle between wireframe mode and regular mode. I have two booleans, like is it in wireframe currently and have I let go? So when I press the key W, so this is every tick while I'm like holding it down. If we have let go, then if it's in wireframe, we go to fill mode. Otherwise, we go back to line. Then we just update is wireframe, and then we set has let go to false, and only set it back to true when we've released the key. So that way, even though this triggers multiple times, once we let it go, it will only ever switch back and forth once. And then we have two fragment shaders, one for the color orange and one for the color yellow. And this is the same as last videos. Here we're just declaring two fragment shaders instead of one, and we just have to do it for both of them like this. Blah, blah, blah. We also create two shader programs, and both of them use the vertex shader. Just one uses fragment shader 0 and one uses fragment shader 1, and that's the orange one and the yellow one. And then as we come down here, this is just error checking. We delete the shaders, then we create two triangles as separate floats. So this one is in the positive, or no, this one's in the positive x, this one's in the negative x. They appear on both sides. And then we create two vertex buffer objects and two vertex array objects. And then we generate both of them, and we generate two. And then this is the same code. We bind the vertex array, we bind the buffer. We set up the buffer data where it's the size of the first triangle, and it uses first triangle, and it's a static draw. And then we set up the vertex attrib pointers. So we start at 0, there's 3, it's a float, we do not know how to normalize, and the size is 3 times float. And then we enable vertex attrib array for this one, and we do the same for the other vertex array object 1. And then in our render loop, we first just set this clear color and clear, then we process input, and that's back up there. Then we use shader program 0, vertex array object 0, and then we draw our first triangle, and we do the same thing with the second one, and then we swap buffer pull events. At the end, we just terminate. And you can see here, that's our final result. Alright, thanks for watching, and if you want to see how I got here, click on this video to see the first OpenGL demo I made, and until next time, see ya!